Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about sinusitis. If you are suffering with the sinus problem and you are not getting any kind of relief, that repeatedly you are getting this sinus problem, then this video is for you. First we'll be knowing about what is sinusitis, what are the causes for sinusitis, how you can really treat the sinusitis in the home and with the help of homeopathic medicines without any side effects and without any harm to your body. Myself, Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic, and I'm a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. So without any delay, let's move on to the topic, that is sinusitis. Today's topic which I am selecting for sinusitis, the medicine is the Kali Pike. Kali Pike belongs to the potassium group of mineral kingdom, and we use it to treat so many diseases like abdominal and stomach disorders, anemia, asthma, bronchitis, bone affections, cataract, cough, constipation, diphtheria, dysentery, dyspepsia, eye affections, fever, gout, headache, lung affections, neuralgia, nose affections, pain, peptic ulcer, rheumatism, skin troubles, throat ulcers, vomiting, warts, whooping cough. So these are the diseases which are really kind of treated with Kali Pike. But I'm only talking about sinusitis today in this video. It acts mainly on the mucous membrane, skin, glands, kidney, fibrous tissue, etc. How is the Kali Pike patient? They are very chilly patients and they are very sensitive patients and they are very obedient patients. First we'll be knowing about sinusitis. Sinusitis, what is sinusitis? Inflammation of the sinus gland. Okay, why it happens? What is the cause of sinusitis? It happens because of the infection due to cold, flu, or any kind of. Okay, and how it is treated with the home remedy. How you can treat the sinusitis with the home remedy is by taking the steam or uh, drinking some herbal tea like this. But the thing is that if it is causing because repeatedly, or it is because of hereditary, or it is because of your body type, then you need the medication. If not, you can just treat it like that. Okay, first we'll be knowing about sinusitis, how it is in the Kali Pike. Pressuring type of pain is there in the root of the nose. Sinusitis. And how is the sputum? Sputum is always ulcerated with smelly kind of discharge, inability to breathe through the nose. The patient always complains that they cannot breathe through the nose. When they sleep, they always breathe to the mouth. Because of that, they snore very much, and even during the daytime they cannot take their breath properly from the nose. This will be the main complaint of the Kali Pike patient, because inflammation of the frontal sinus with a stopped up sensation and loss of sensation is there. When this kind of thing happen, the Kali Pike works. How is the discharge? Character of the discharges. Discharge of sputum or the plugs, tough, rupee kind of discharge, free, fluid, mucus, and clear masses, and has violent pain from occiput to forehead. This is one of the main peculiar symptom of the character of the Kali Pike. Next, the patient also complains of headache during the sinusitis. headache is because of suppressed cataract. Cataract means any kind of cataract infections. Before headache, there is blurred vision or blindness in front of the eyes. Character of headache: shifting pain from one place to another. Pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly. This is one of the peculiar symptoms of the colibac, because this is not gradual in action. The pain comes suddenly and it also goes away suddenly. The patient always says that I was better 5 minutes back, but the pain came so suddenly and now it is so much, and it also reduces suddenly also. Pain in the small spot that can be covered with the tip or an finger. That kind of pain is there. If you press on one part, only on that part the pain is there. That's all. That kind of feeling is there in the colibac. And some people also says that they have gastrointestinal symptoms associated with the sinusitis, like peptic ulcer, gastric or duodenal ulcer. It is because of bad effect of alcohol. They always says that we have this heaviness of the stomach. This is one of the most used remedy for the colibac. Okay, these people are always a kind of chilly, and the symptoms always aggravate in the hot summer weather, such as skin diseases, rheumatism, dysentery, sinusitis, everything. And the discharge is always yellowish, and ropey kind of discharge is also seen. And with sinus, the cough also comes sometimes. Character of the cough is violent, rattling cough with gagging and vomiting. Sometimes the sputum also comes out from vomiting. It is also ropey, tough, free, fluid, membranous, like that. Cough with expectoration of tough, ropey and stingy discharge of mucus with difficulty in breathing. It is always aggravated when undressing and on sitting up. Amelioration by lying down. What are the symptoms which accompany the cough symptom is that with cough there is pain in the chest and small spot that can be covered with a tip of a finger, or shifting kind of pain is there, appears and disappears very suddenly. This is one of the common symptoms of the colibac. I'll be giving you one of my patient whom I treated. I have lots and lots of sinus problem patient, but one person who was suffering with this sinus from almost 10 years. He's an LIC worker, and he came to just try out the homeopathic medicine because we had some free camp on that day, because we was doing some free camp, and he came and he just wanted to know that there is a solution or not. And we took his case. We said within 2 months your sinus will be gone, but he was surprisingly not believing, because from 10 years he's on citizen and he is not getting better. Only when he takes the tablet he will be better. And as soon as he gets up in the morning, the sneezing starts. 10 to 15 times of his sneezing continuously without any break. And after that, when he washes his face or when he puts his water on his face, he has this kind of symptom. We said, it's okay, don't believe us, take the medicine for the free, just come back after 15 days. And we gave colibac 30 morning, early morning. After he wakes up, he just takes even without brushing, and night before sleeping. That's all. Only 2 times 30 potency, low potency only, for 15 days. And we gave him the clinic address and everything. He thought that he will be not coming back, and we had that kind of belief that he is going to come back for sure, because taking cetirizine and it's not giving him any kind of relief, but taking a homeopathic medicine he feels that something has been changing, something has been curing, so he will be coming back. So he came back. He said, doctor, seriously, at least 25% of my thing has been gone, and please do help me out. So then we again retook the case, because the patient that day was really in a hurry. He just was not interested, but he just came to get the information, just curious kind of thing. But after that he was sincerely kind of I want to be treated. So we retook the case, of course Kali bike, but still we should rule out what are the things which he is doing the mistake and everything. So after that we continued Kali bike, and only with Kali bike the patient was treated, and he is one of the happiest patient of my clinic. So I always remember when the sinus topic come. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Have a good life and a fantastic life.